Hi everyone, Aaron here for Zollotech, and this is the iPhone 12 in purple. Every half a year or so, Apple introduces a new color after they release the initial color. Generally, it's product red, but this time it's purple. Now, I've heard some people say that that's because it was Steve Jobs' favorite color. I can't confirm that as I'm not really sure, but this is the brand new purple iPhone. It comes in the same exact price and variants as the others, and as you can see here, this is the 128 gigabyte version, and this is also the unlocked version. Now, it varies from $799 to $949, just like before. But if it's SIM unlocked, meaning it can be used on any carrier around the world, it's an additional $30. So $829 to $979, 64, 128, or 256 gigs of storage. Let's go ahead and open it up. Let's take the top of the box off. And here is the purple iPhone. Now, this one it's very close to lilac, but the sides look a little bit different. So we'll take a closer look at that in a moment. Of course, you've got the normal thing in here with your SIM card ejector tool and your sticker. It's not a color matched sticker or anything like that. It's just the normal white Apple sticker that you get. I wish they would color match them to the phone. Maybe one day we'll get that. And then, of course, we have our Lightning to USB-C adapter, and that's it. That's all you get with this phone for the price. And then if you need a fast charger or MagSafe, of course, you can buy that later on. Now, let's go ahead and take the cover off the screen. And there we go. And as you can see, it's what you would expect. So everything is the same except the color, of course. And so you've got a nice sort of purple lilac color, and I try to make this as accurate as possible. So for reference, if you have maybe a graphite iPhone 12 Pro Max next to, say, the purple, the colors should be as accurate on this display, hopefully whatever display you're watching, as what it looks like in real life. That's what I'm always aiming for. And then around the outside edge, it's a nice matte finish. I kind of wish they did that on the back, but you have the matte glass here. The purple looks really nice though. Now I'll go ahead and boot this up and set it up, and let's just see what version of iOS it comes with. So let me turn it on here. I'll boot it up and get it set up pretty quickly. Now the purple iPhone is set up and ready to go. Now this is the default wallpaper that came on it, but there are some new wallpapers in here, or at least one of them anyway. So we'll go into our settings, go to wallpaper, choose a new wallpaper, go to live wallpapers, and now we have this new purple one. So you can press to animate if you want to. We'll hit set, and now it matches. So that's the wallpaper that's new. And the other thing is this came pre-installed with, I believe, 14.5. So if we go to General, then About, and you can see that we're on iOS 14.5. So this comes pre-installed with the latest version. They had to have it ready before this came out. Let's take a quick look at what it looks like with the other purple cases that they offer this year. There's the silicone amethyst case, which I showed in the spring color cases that they came out with, and I think it complements this really well. So you do have the dark purple on the outside, or amethyst as they call it, and then the sort of lilac looking color. Let's go ahead and put it in place here, and it contrasts nicely. So you've got the camera bump there. On the front, you don't get to see the purple edge really around the outside edge, but it looks pretty good. You have the silent switch as well that you can see a little bit of the new purple color. And then on the bottom, you can see that with your lightning port as well. Now let's switch over to the leather case. So maybe you actually prefer this one, which they call Deep Violet. And again, like I said, I showed this in a different video, but wanted to show you how it contrasts with the new phone. So let's remove this. There's the amethyst case. Here is the deep violet case. And this one is a nice, almost a bluish purple, but it looks pretty good. Again, you have that opening for the camera. And then on the other side, again, you'll see your silent switch there. But on the bottom, you can see a little bit more with the speaker since it's a cutout compared to the actual little hole punch design of the silicone case. So it looks a little bit different, and both of them have a lip on it. But I think it looks pretty good overall with this case. It's a nice look to it. Either one, if you prefer leather or silicone, looks great with it. So that's really all there is to this particular iPhone. It's just a new purple iPhone 12 with all the same capabilities, camera and everything else, A14 Bionic with 4 gigs of RAM, and that 6.1-inch display that is an OLED display. So pretty great device for what it is. And let me know if you like this purple in the comments below. I do like it. I don't know if it would be my main color of choice, of course, but I do like it. I generally prefer more neutral tones, but this is a really nice color in general. But let me know what you think about it in the comments below, and I'll link this particular wallpaper in the description as well. If you haven't subscribed already, though, please subscribe. And if you enjoyed the video, please give it a like. As always, thanks for watching. This is Aaron. I'll see you next time.